I am feeling stuck. I'm feeling like I'm doing everything right. Why am I not getting successful? The problem is learning. You have stopped learning. And I felt that hard. I think it's true. I have stopped learning new things. Like in my English speaking as well, I feel like I have gotten enough of it. Like I can express myself and I can understand others. So I have stopped the learning process of it and I'm just creating and expressing myself. The day you stop learning is the day you start falling again. And that thing hit me really hard because I felt that so many times. So learning should never stop in life as well. You should always keep on learning every single day. Now there is another important thing. If I'm saying that learning is important, it doesn't mean that you are learning everything just looking around. Like this is the thing, I'm gaining knowledge about it, and I'm gaining knowledge about it as well. Not at all. You will have to gain knowledge about a particular field where you want to pursue your career or you want to get successful. In that path, in one goal, one path, you will have to gain knowledge. So when you gain your knowledge in that field, and when you are a knowledgeable person in such field, already you are a successful person and no one can defeat you in that field. Second thing is, I guess, done, that gaining a knowledge in a particular area is important. Now the third thing, the most important thing. So many people around us have knowledge for so many things, but the problem is they don't implement. The implementing is the problem. If you have the knowledge, apply it. Only then you can be successful. You're not applying your knowledge. How will you get successful in that particular field? You're just consuming all those things and not creating anything, not letting it out, not expressing yourself, not doing anything with such knowledge, with that knowledge. What's the point behind that, gaining that knowledge? So you'll have to apply it somewhere. And when your mind is like that, I'm gaining the knowledge and I'll have to apply it somewhere, like here I'm applying it, you automatically seek for the opportunities, and opportunities comes to you naturally. You don't have to force yourself to attract the opportunities. They will find you from anywhere. Can be anything. So learning every day in one direction only. So don't do negative learning, like you are learning something else and you are learning the opposite of it and going it down, taking it down. No. So learning, applying, learning in one direction and applying. Yeah, that was the thing I think you should try. So that's what the thing. I watched video yesterday and I felt that I should start doing it. I know it is hard to apply because everyone has that knowledge. If I talk about skincare, everyone knows nighttime skincare is so much important. You should wash your face at night and apply some good creams on your face, but you are not doing it. Why? Because you are so addicted to your daily habits and you cannot take yourself out of your comfort zone. If you cannot take yourself out of your comfort zone, that will kill your desires and dreams. As simple as that. You'll have to push yourself to do your work. It is important and I need to do this. If I want this, I will have to do this. So let's do it. Second thing, everyone knows having healthy meal is important. Green veggies is so much important. Still you are not having it. Every time you just going towards the direction of that junk food or spicy chili food that doesn't help your immune system, digestive system, that doesn't help, but you're just having it just for the sake of taste buds or happiness for short period of time, but it is damaging your health. Everyone knows doing exercise regularly is so much important, still you are not doing it. Why? Because you cannot come out of your comfort zone, and it is hard, and I can't do hard things, but I have big dreams and I want those big, I want my name to shine, but I cannot do the work, hard work. If you want to shine like a sun, first burn like a sun. Discipline yourself. Okay, I'm not saying every day you should just start doing everything right from today only. No. Do few things right. Okay, you can decide 3 things. I am going to apply 3 habits every single day, like new habits. From today onwards, I'm going to wash my face at nighttime skincare, sleep on time, and start having. I have so many things, so it is hard for me to select which one I should give the priority. Start green veggies, fruits I will give the priority. And I don't even drink milk, which is also important. Milk has every nutrition except iron. So I should also start having the milk. So milk and banana we can have. That's so healthy for your health. So from now onwards, I have decided 3 habits I'm going to adapt, and tell me in the comment sections what are your habits that you are going to adapt from now onwards or from today only. So yes, and in this goes with study as well. Government jobs are tough. Yeah, it is. But slow study wins the race, as it is said, and it is proved, hence proved, it is proven. So don't force yourself, just slow and steady and keep on doing your work. Whenever you feel like you're free, just do it. Whatever your work you see in front of yourself, complete that. Complete the easy work first. I'm not saying you should complete the hard work first. Complete the easy work. Then that easy work will give you that happiness of completing the dopamine hormone. Then you will complete the tough work as well. So these are the tips that I am going to apply. I have applied as well, and I've seen so much improvements in myself. So I'm thinking of applying them again. The only solution for us is you will have to push yourself. You will have to come out of your comfort zone. You cannot be in your comfort zone all the time. Just do it. Stop consuming. Start creating, and start creating. This is a line which I heard somewhere, that a successful person wrote it, I guess, that he mostly create something like 80% of something or 20% consumption he had. I mean, creation is so much important. Creation makes your career. It creates your life. So you should start creating your life. You cannot rely on destiny. And people who rely on destiny and wait for that perfect opportunity, perfect moment, that on this perfect moment I will start my career, I will start doing things, that perfect moment is never gonna come. Never ever. It is harsh, but that perfect moment is never gonna come. I'm saying it from my experience. So if you want to wear that beautiful dress on the perfect moment, make that perfect moment now and wear it. If you want to buy something for that perfect moment, it's not gonna come. Buy today. If you want to work, if you want to paint a painting on a perfect moment, paint it now. This is your perfect moment. If you want to read something, a newspaper, a magazine, or a story or something, that it is your perfect moment, because it's never gonna come, and it will always feel like, when will my perfect moment come? And when you wait for things, it gets late and more late. And when you don't wait for the things, you starts to attract them. Things starts to chase you, and you are chasing your dreams, you are chasing your work. So chase your work, what you want to do. If I talk about myself, I want to do painting. I like to paint. I want to paint different kind of things, like whatever makes me happy and makes me feel connected with the painting. I like to put mehndi. I want to put the beautiful mehndi, which makes me happy and makes me feel like I am really good at it. I want to stitch a dress which I am desiring to buy sometime, or maybe I want to design it. I want to do a hairstyle, because for a long period of time I wanted to make my hair grown long, so I could make beautiful hairstyles every single day. I want to buy those earrings. I want to go to the market and want to shop everything I have ever listed for. I have ever made list for. I want to buy those shoes which I've been looking for. So I want to make a purse. I want to stitch a purse. I want to be a fashion designer. I want to be so many things, and I'm not saying that I want to pursue my career in so many things, but I want to do, and no one is stopping me from doing those things. So if no one is stopping me, why can't I do those? Why? Because I am stuck in my comfortable zone and I cannot come out of that, and I'm just spending my time over screen, like mobile phones or TV, and which is taking my time alone. I want to sleep early and wake up early. This is my things, and still I can't do it. Why? Because I don't have control in my mind and in my discipline. I guess lack of discipline is something which is really bad. So if I want to do so many things and no one is stopping me, let's start doing those things right now. And I'm not saying everything like whatever I've said in my video, I'm doing so many things for a long period of time. And I'm just saying for the sake of connecting to you. Not only sake of connecting to you, obviously I cannot say so many things only just for the sake of connecting. There are still the things I'm working upon, and there will be things always, because I'm never gonna stop learning. I'll be always figuring it out, and that's the thing I like about myself. Life is all about figuring yourself out, and let's keep on figuring yourself out. And that's it for today's video. I hope you have gotten something. It was a random talk video. Speak your heart out loud. Speak my heart out loud, and I hope I have done it.